In this example, we're asked to add unlike rational expressions. So if you notice the denominators here, they're not the same. Would you say these denominators are conjugates, or are they inverses or opposites of each other? Well, if you said this, the latter, the second choice, then you're correct. They are opposites or inverses of each other. Notice that in the first expression, x is positive, and the second expression, x is negative. In the first expression, the 4 is negative, and in the second expression, 4 is positive. So clearly, yes, they are opposites of each other. So recall what I said you're going to do in those cases. What you have to do is figure out which LCD you want, because the LCD can be either one. Your LCD can be x minus 4, or your LCD can be 4 minus x. Now, traditionally, when writing polynomials, you write them in descending order with your variables or your degree, highest degree down to the lowest, with your constants, your number last. So the first expression traditionally is written in the correct form. So the second expression, it's sort of written in the reverse form. So what we're going to do is apply the -1 effect to that one. So I'm going to keep the first x minus 4 as my LCD. And that's just my decision. You could have definitely chosen 4 minus x. So I'm going to choose x minus 4, which means that for that first expression, I don't need to multiply anything with it because it is already the LCD. Now, the second expression, I am going to have to multiply something with it because it is backwards. So to reverse this, all I have to do is multiply it by -1, and whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. So by doing so, now the denominators will be the same in that form of x minus 4. But recall, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. So that's going to leave me with a -2 on top of the second expression. And now that the denominators are the same, we can go ahead and combine the top while keeping their same common denominator of x minus 4. So you know that when we combine the top, 8 minus 2 that's going to give us 6 over my LCD of x minus 4. And there you have it, adding unlike rational expressions in a scenario where the denominators are opposites of each other.